Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're starting a little deep dive into the world of Tumi. Yes, that's right, we're going to be reviewing about 10 different items that are all signature to Tumi's travel collections. We are going to be reviewing these in the beetroot color, which is this dark mahogany. However, these styles are available in a lot of different colors, especially a black with gold signature look. This video series is intended to help you when you are making your purchasing decisions for one of the most important things to choose your baggage wisely: travel. Today we're unboxing the Melissa Cosmetic Bag. Now, as I've mentioned in a few other videos, I really do love that Tumi has thought of creating all of the little bags and pouches and trinkets that we need in the same colorway to complete our full collection of travel essentials, and this is definitely one of them. Now, this bag, as it is part of the collection, has the same colorway, the same lining with the cute little leather detailing, and of course the same maroon, well, beetroot red color on the exterior, as well as the light dusty pink on the interior. Now, I've said in some other videos that I do love the pink on the inside. However, I'm not entirely sure how it will hold up with a cosmetic bag. I think it will just kind of promote me to be a little bit more careful with the things that I'm putting in there and make sure that they're very clean before doing so. So that is just one thing to note. Now, you've already seen that there is a pocket on the outside, and it's a simple pocket, but what I would kind of consider putting in there are maybe like your smaller trinkets, the things you need more accessible, maybe some hair scrunchies or berets, or maybe your makeup brushes. But again, there's so many pockets in here that you can really do exactly what you want with whatever organization you need. So that being said, you're seeing the first glimpse of this cosmetic bag fully opened up, and it really does have a lot of options. So you have this first pouch towards the absolute top of the bag, and it is just a very thin and straightforward separation. Then in the second area, you do have a little bit more volume, so you can fit a little bit bulkier items. Now moving on to the third area, you do have 3 separate separations in here. And then finally, you have an optional 4th sleeve here. So you can either unzip this sleeve and use it as a separate organizational pouch, or you can keep it attached and have it all unfold as one single cosmetic bag. Now, of course, all of this will depend on how you organize your cosmetic bag and how much organization you do truly need. But I do appreciate that they've given us the flexibility to have an extra little separate pouch and have a little bit more space inside the cosmetic bag. Now, I have personally not owned a cosmetic bag previously, so this will be a first for me, and I can definitely figure out where I might place things, but I would love to hear from you. Do you have one of these cosmetic bags? Do you like them? Do you find the pockets inside helpful or restricting? Would you recommend this overall? Let us know in the comments below so we can share some best practices. If you made it to the end of this video, be sure to drop a white heart or your most recent emoji in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.